So, van tour. This is my van, Mercedes Sprinter long wheelbase, high top. She's a 2006 model, so she's got a few years on her. 86,000 miles, not bad. We've got awning up on top of the roof. We've got 3 solar panels totaling 300 and something watts. We've also got a, what's it on the roof? Wi-Fi aerial. And 2 skylights and TV aerial up on the roof. She is very dirty at the moment because of all the salt on the roads. Underneath at the back we've got a underslung gas tank. We're on ramps at the moment just to level it up a bit. So she's running LPG gas for all heating and cooking. We've also got a grey water tank underslung and also a underslung freshwater tank. Lights are changing. Right, inside, this is what you've been waiting for, isn't it? Okay, we've got a table that packs away. Bench seat. Under the bench seat we have, which is also a double bed, we have the water boiler, water pump and the LPG heater, which is one of the vents there. And another vent just up there, and there's also a split relay from the solar system to the van battery with nice juicy amperage that keeps my van battery topped up as well. We got swivel seats, driver's seat and passenger seat. And moving along we have 2 gas hob and sink with hot and cold running water. And then here we have 3-way fridge. And here we have a oven and grill. There's nice chest of drawers which also steps up into my bed. A nice 15 tog duvet. Lots of thickness of mattress to keep me nice and warm. I've got an old school control panel that was originally in it. It's working, so I haven't changed it. Don't fix it if it's not broken. And then down here we've got a few little control panels which are labelled so I don't forget. So we've got water level, which is all nice and full. We've got water heater, then we've got the important one this time of year, the LPG on off and fan with thermostat, and then also this one with the blue light on is my inverter for the mains in the van for all the sockets. Over on this side we've got a gauge for, is it lighting up, can we see that? I don't know. Got a gauge there for showing how much gas, there it is, going up, up, up. It's not full because I've been using it, but that helps me know how much gas I've got left, which for LPG is lasting really well. And then here bathroom and shower. And that also folds down to be a sink basin, and there's the shower head which goes up on here. Toilet roll, always handy. So yes, and up at the front there, as I'm on hookup at the moment, I've got a portable electric heater which keeps all the condensation out of the dash, so no misty condensated windows in the morning. But when they are, I have got a window vac that helps that and clears it all up. So there we go, that is my van tour. I hope you've liked it, and I shall add on to this about where I am at the moment. I will say I've got a lovely view out that way. So, I'm in Devon, west part of Devon, right on the edge of Dartmoor, in a place. What's that? Alright, yeah, in a place called Bridstow, which is beautiful. Okay, we've got a big old Bowser there, it's not so beautiful. Anyway, ignore that. Look at this countryside. This is what I call proper Devon. That sky. Is that nice? Need a bit of sunshine on it. The hills, still white up there. Anyway, alright. Brothers, sisters, we must stand together. We must fight for our rights. We must protect what is ours. We must not have herd mentality anymore. We must be free. Free to roam in our vans. Give up the bricks and mortar. Who will unite with me? Who will? Don't be sheep anymore. Don't hide behind each other. Don't follow what they say anymore. Be your own person. Now, are you with me? Are you with me? Not really feeling it from you guys. Your support is low.